just received in the mail a shirt from Psycho Bunny, and I don't know, I thought it would be funny to kind of unbox it. Ha ha ha. Anyway, these are expensive shirts, and I had one in the past that I found at like a discount store, and I wore it out like 10 years ago. I've always kind of loved the logo, and I found this on sale at the site for about half off, so $42, regular is $85. This is just a standard. I like that sticker. But anyway, let's check this out. Okay, these are the instructions. Just kidding. This is the men's classic polo petal color, large. Okay, so, all right. Okay, petal. Is this petal or, man, that's a little pinker than I thought it might be, but not as pink, hopefully, as it could have been. Anyway, it's kind of a very light white, slightly pink color. There's the logo that you might like, might love. It's got this cool tag, and yeah, it says $85 on it, but yeah, it's not $85. So, oh man, Pima cotton, smells great, looks great. Can't wait to try it on, see how it fits. All right, thanks. Hey, if this unboxing was helpful, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.